Hey y'all, welcome back to TBK Homeworld, and I'm so glad that you're here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're not really diving into a project or a tool review or anything like that with this particular video. Instead, I just wanted to sit and talk with you one-on-one about where the channel's at, where we plan on going, and just to give a big heartfelt thank you to you. It's been about 1.5 years since we started giving dedicated uploads to TBK Homeworld. Before that, we did a lot of different little projects. It was mainly just me working on the videos, both recording and editing. But since then, we've made a concerted effort to actually give every single week a full-length video that comes out to you. And we also have multiple shorts with the help of tools like Opus Clips, and they help us pull some highlights off of our long content video. But we've also been doing dedicated short content video, and that's just old-fashioned work. This has all taken a whole lot of time and effort, but I think the results are speaking for themselves. We're sitting just shy of 4,200 subscribers at the time of recording, and I find that amazing. It just blows my mind that this channel, this group of people, we've managed to get it to that number of subscribers. Really makes me happy, and I'm beyond thankful to you all. Whether you've been here from the start or you've just joined today, I thank you very much for that subscription. It really does mean a difference to us here at TBK Homeworld. This channel would be nothing if it wasn't for you all tuning in, subscribing, hitting that like button, and even those of you who just watch silently in the background. I wanted to give a big thank you to you all for doing that. But also, I want to give a very big thank you to the entire TBK Homeworld team. For those who don't know, that is my family. This is a family adventure that we're doing all the way from the filming to the editing to the different test scenarios to helping me set up all the equipment to helping me perform the tests, all the way through the entire process, including me turning our garage into a film set so that we can do all of this stuff. Thank you very much, especially for the moral support as well. I couldn't do it without my family, and thank you very much to the entire team for being here to help me with this. Most important on everything with this channel is we are a believing family. We believe in God, we believe in His direction, and we ask for His direction on this channel with all the things that we do. We always make sure that we look for Him for guidance with this, and we always stay focused on truth and honesty in our reviews. The last thing we would ever want to do is to do something that was incorrect on this channel. So we always ask Him for the guidance, and we always keep our focus on Him in everything that we do. Whether you're here for the DIY, or you're here for the shop talk, or just to laugh at the silliness that we do on this channel, we appreciate you. You're part of the TBK Homeworld family, and we're so glad that you're here, and we don't take that lightly. So from the bottom of my heart and the entire TBK Homeworld team, thank you. We've also noticed that a lot more of you have been leaving comments lately, and we really appreciate that. They've been all over the place. We've been getting some really good tips. We've been getting some great feedback. We've even gotten a few jokes, and it makes our day to have those nice positive comments to let us know that you're appreciating the work that we're doing. So thank you for that. And also remember that it's not just me talking to a camera. That's what you're watching at the moment, but it's supposed to be a community. And the whole idea of the community is so that we can be better at the things that we're trying to do. If you have been watching, but you haven't chimed in with any of the conversations yet, then please do so on this video. Let us know what you like about the channel. Let us know areas that we can improve. Let us know what you would like to see. Are there different tools that you would like for me to review? Or would you prefer me just to tell you where the name TBK came from? I'll be happy to do that if that's something you all are interested in. It's not my real name, it's just a handle that I go by. I've had it for a while, and there's a cool story behind it. So if you're interested in stuff like that, leave it below. We definitely can do more of a conversational piece as opposed to just tool reviews if that's all you all would like to see. Or maybe something else entirely. Even if I haven't thought about it yet, Put it in the comments below. We'll review all of those things and look at them. I can't promise I'll be able to do all of them, but we'll absolutely, as a team, review that and integrate those things that we're able to into the channel. So now just a little recap of what we've got going on currently behind the scenes. First of all, I know a lot of you are aware I talked about doing the Hex impact driver, the 12 volt. We are absolutely going to be doing that. I just have to purchase about $600 worth of additional tools to complete that review. Well, that's going to take me time to acquire all of those things, especially for some of those Metabos that are coming from overseas, because some of those you can't get here in the States. So thank you very much for being patient while we're gathering all of those tools, but it is on the way. We're also working on the Crimper Showdown. Now, that is something that's recently come out where we tested butt connectors, and I threw it out there of, hey, we could test these and let you know which ones are better. And we got a resounding yes from everybody, not only in the comments, but we also received a lot of direct messages saying, please do that, because I'm having failures and I would like to know if a better crimper would solve that. So that video is currently in production and it's going to be on the way shortly. One of the other things that we're doing is we're also working on the shop/garage right now. We are completely working on pulling out the walls, insulating it, putting sheetrock, tape, float, texture, and painting the entire thing. That way it looks better not only on film, but also we can get it cool in our studio. Instead of sitting in 110 degrees in the shade, we're able to go and be in an air-conditioned shop so that I'm not drenched with sweat whenever we're talking about these different items. We do have that video being recorded, so we are going to make sure that we cover that process and you can see what we're doing with it. We're not experts on this stuff. This is going to be a lot of DIY kind of stuff, and I'm going to have different people on camera with me, and I'm also going to be helping educate different family members to show them how to do these things. So I want to make sure that our extended family here is available to watch those things as well. For those of you who are curious, here is a quick sneak peek of what it's going to look like whenever it's done. Don't forget, whenever we hit 5,000 subscribers, we have a giveaway for our US-based viewers. I wanted to open it to the whole world, but due to complications right now, it's just to the US-based folks. We're going to be giving away one of the Harbor Freight tool creepers. If you haven't seen it, check out the description below, because I have a link to the review that we did on it. You can't get this thing anymore. It's been discontinued, and we absolutely love ours. If you work underneath your vehicle on a creeper, this tool creeper is an absolute must-have. It puts your tools right there at reach and makes it so simple to grab the things whenever you need them. So make sure you're subscribed so that you can be entered to win. So if you like what we're doing here, please hit that like button, comment below, subscribe, do all of those things, because it really makes a massive difference on the growth of this channel and the algorithm. And if you have any friends, family, or colleagues who are interested in this style of content, then please share it with them and let them know that this channel is about DIY, tool reviews, home repair, garage stuff, all of that, because your word of mouth and spreading it around makes a massive difference, and it's just pure gold for us, and we thank you for that. So again, just thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching and commenting, and thank you for all the amazing interactions that we've had with this community. You definitely make this something special. We're just getting started, and I am very excited to see where TBK Homeworld community goes next. Remember to comment below, let us know what you like. Do you like those head-to-head competitions? Do you like the tool reviews? Do you like the stuff I do in the shop, or do you want to see something like this, or even something different on the channel? Make sure you comment below, because that's the only way we're going to know what the community actually is wanting to see on the channel. Until next time, stay safe, keep building, keep your tools sharp and your battery charged, and I'll catch you in the next one.